Good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Haikal bin Muhammad Fairuz and I am from Group 10. So today my group and I will be presenting about the ergonomic evaluation and improvement proposal for a bookstore. So next. Alright. Firstly, I would like to introduce my group members, which is Muhammad Imran bin Muhammad Tazri, Muhammad Afif Irfan bin Abdul Wahab, Lutfi Mustaqim bin Muda, and myself, Amar Haikal bin Muhammad Farus. And our lecturer is TS inventor Dr. Muhammad Shahid bin Yahya. Right, so right now I will be presenting the abstract as well as the aims of our project. So industrial engineering. So industrial engineering is a field of study that focuses on the improvement as well as increasing the efficiency of a system structure as well as ensuring the ergonomics of a specific workplace system. So from the observation that we have made, problems in the industrial systems usually being the organization always being dismissive of the importance of maintaining the economics of a workplace, as well as they fail to analyzing workplace structures perfectly. So our project aims is to build and produce the best ergonomic evaluation system, as well as improvement or enhancement in workplace working structure. We also aims to construct the best refinement and advancing the ergonomics of the specific workplace system structure based on our observation that we have made. So next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afif Irfan bin Abdul Wahab, matric number A8231039. So, I can explain about the introduction. Okay, this project focus on Sanxiang Stationery, a local stationery store identified as having several ergonomic issues related to space layout and product arrangement. Ergonomic is essential in both work and retail environment as a direct influence use comfort, safety and efficiency. Poor application of ergonomic principle can lead to the discomfort, restricted movement and reduce customer satisfaction. In this context, the study aims to identify as the ergonomic problem in this context. The study and propose improvement based on a stable ergonomic principle. So, this recommendation are intended to enhance customer comfort, safety, and overall store efficient through a more organized and user-friendly layout. The include image show a store into its internal store. Okay, the figure look is the store to interview, and the main of the analysis is a narrow walkways, pro-shelf arrangement, and emphasis space use. Okay, right now to the problem statement. So, based on the observation visit to Sanxiang Stationery, several ergonomic issues were identified that affect a layout and overall customer comfort within the store. This include narrow walkways and resting movement, disorganized product placement and blockment pathway, and shelving arrangement. They are either too high or too low, making it difficult for customer, especially elderly or those with physical limitation to access product comfortable. The finding indicate like the ergonomic cluster of the store, inventory management, such as issue not only had a shopping experience but also post quality, safety and operation efficiency concern. Therefore, this study aims to the proposed ergonomic improvement to optimize the store layout, enhance customer flow and improve overall comfort, safety and productivity within a retail environment. So look the picture 1 to this is a problem in the visit to the Sanxiang Stationery. The first, narrow space. The second, item that are difficult to take, and the last, close part. So for objective, the project is identify economic issue related to the spare utilization, product placement and customer movement within the store. The second, evaluation the impact of this issue on customer experience, safety and operation effectiveness. And so propose and the next propose modify the improve product accessibility, working space and overall layout. And the last, enhance the ergonomic quality of the store environment and support better customer satisfaction and workflow efficiency. So for the project scope, have to the 4.2 analysis. The first, conducted site observation to identify ergonomic issue related to the movement flow. She'll have the product as quality and space constraint. The second, review relate economic standard and best practice for retail layout and equipment design. Proper design, and the next for the proper design improvement based on ergonomic principle such as optimal shell hand, clear working part and effective product display. And the last, limit the scope the customer related ergonomic concept, employee workstation and inventory storage not to the include in the study. This and the last two for my part is expected outcome. And first, identify a major ergonomic issue within the store environment, particularly related to narrow part, poor product placement and service arrangement, the higher customer accessibility. The second, proper redesign to the store layout to the more ordinary to user friendly, incorporating ergonomic principles such as wide working part, optimization height and improve product display accessibility. And the next, improve customer comfort and safety during their time in the store, contribute to the great satisfaction and more positive shopping experience. And the last for expected outcome is reduce and congestion and physical discomfort among customer through a more systematic and efficient layout.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Lutfil Mustaqim bin Muda. I'll be taking part in explaining methodology for these cases, which is I've divided the methodology into 5 different sections, which is the first one is on-site observation. We visited Songxiang Stationery to access the store layout, shelf arrangement and also customer movement flow. There, we photographed and filled notes to document challenges such as narrow walkways and hard to reach shelves. And then move to the second one, which is basic ergonomic evaluation. We use principles from RULA, rapid upper limb assessments, and REBA, rapid entire body assessment, to observe customer posture and movement. We also identify sign of physical strain or discomfort while customer walk or reach for products. The third one, informal customer behavior observation. We observe how customer interacted with the store environment, such as time taken to find items, difficulty accessing products, and also movement interruptions. And then the fourth one is literature review. We reviewed ergonomic guidelines, anthropometric data, and retail layout best practice to support findings and propose improvements. And then the last one is data analysis and solution development. We combine observation data and literature insight to design a more efficient, comfortable and user-friendly store layout. So I think that's all from me. That's all for methodology section. So move to the next one. Thank you. Bye.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Tazri. Number metric AA 230-876. Okay, I will present about the result. So we have two results, which is the first one is ergonomic analysis finding and observational findings. So for the ergonomic analysis finding, we evaluated worker posture using OWASP, which is Overco Warning Posture Analysis System, and focus on tasks and at Songxiang Stationery involving stocking, handling and movement. So refer to the table below. We analyze 4 main body parts, which is back, arm, legs and load handling. So for the back, the OWASP code is 2, which show frequent bending where workers organize item at low level. The second one is arms, which is code 2 to 3, indicating reaching above shoulder when taking or placing items on high shelf. The third one is leg, code is 2, meaning workers are standing or walking without much variation, which can cause fatigue. The last one is load handling. The code is 3 to 4, which is quite high since worker lift light items under 10 kilogram like boxes and stationaries. Okay, so next for the key observation, this posture are repeated throughout the day and can cause discomfort or strain over time. The analysis suggests that the posture risks are in action category, which is 2 to 3, which means early action should be taken. Okay, for the observational findings, we have 4 main problem, which is walkway, space and space issue, shelf arrangement, obstruction in pathways, and manual handling without tools. So for the first point, during our site visit, we noticed that the walkways inside the store were very narrow. This limit movement for both customers and staff, especially during busy hours. It increases the chances of bumping into each other. So for the second one, we also found the shelf arrangement was not well designed. Workers had to frequently bend down or reach over just to access item. This contribution to physical fatigue and muscle strain. For example, in figure 5.0, we can see a worker needing to stop down because of items placed poorly along the pathway. So for the third one is some product were placed directly in main walking path for forcing customer to detour or squeeze through tight spaces. This not only disrupt the flow of movement but also affect how efficiently the staff can work. And the last one is another major issue was manual handling. Worker had to lift and carry stock by hand without using trolleys, adjustable shelf or other ergonomic equipment, which is figure 6.0 shows an example of a container that workers carry when stocking items. So we can conclude that this poor ergonomic condition increase the risk of injuries like repetitive strain and reduced work efficiency. Improvements such as widening walkways, reorganizing shelf and providing handling tools are strongly recommended. Okay, for the discussion, based on our observation, Sunxian Stationery is facing several economic problems that affect both workers and customers. The walkways are too narrow, which is making hard to move around, especially during peak hours. Shelves are not arranged at the right height, so workers often have to bend or reach above their head, which can cause physical strain. We use tools like ruler and rebar in a basic way to identify postural risks such as bending, standing too long, and working in tight spaces. The layout of the store, including the checkout counter and product placement, make things more difficult and increases the chance of muscle injuries. Customers were also seen struggling to reach items and move around easily. To solve this, we suggest widening the isolates at least 90 cm, moving the checkout counter further inside and placing items between waist and eye level. We also recommend adding floor signs, restocking during off-peak hours, and putting popular items closer to the entrance. And this change will help reduce physical stress, improve movement, and create better experience for both staff and customers.
Alright, in conclusion, the application of ergonomic principle in retail environments like we have made, which is Sun Xiang Stationery, is not only a matter of health and safety, but also the operational improvement and advancement. So, ergonomically optimizing the store layout offers a strategic advantage, which is and ensuring that both staffs and customers interaction with the space in a more comfortable, efficient, and satisfying manner. So one of the recommendation that we would like to offer is that the place or the working place in Sunshine Stationery might be created or built wider in terms of walkways, or adjusting the shelf heights, as well as strategic product placement and a revised checkout layout were proposed to address the issue. So implementing these changes is expected to reduce physical strains, improve movement flow, and enhance overall comfort within the store. Um, in turn, as a result, this will initially lead to increasing customer satisfaction, reduce risk of injury, and improve staff productivity. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.